Hello, this is Manesh Patel with IMPF Trade. Today is November 19, 2023. I missed last week due to a family emergency, so I apologize for that. And a little off today due to Thanksgiving. Anyways, this is our weekly review of the TNTs. If you don't know what a TNT is, it's this black bar here. The highs represent a major resistance. The low of this black bar represents major support. But the key thing to this black bar is that it tells you something's going to happen on the next bar. So what we do is on the weekend, right before trading week begins, we scan for the weekly TNTs, and then we look to enter them breaking the low or high based on this shade, this background shade. If the shade is green, we're looking to enter as soon as it breaks the TNT high. If it is red, we're looking for it to break the TNT low. And as simple as that. So let's begin. Here's all the US stocks over here and currencies and futures and ETFs too. So ADP was the first one here. There's a TNT. This is last week's trading. There's no shade, so there's no opportunity there at all. Over here, there's a shade. It's green, so we're looking to buy when it gets above the weekly, this TNT high, which it didn't do, so there's no trade there at all. Over here, there's no shade, so we never enter the trade. Over here is a red shade, so we would enter below the low of that TNT bar, which never triggered. Over here, red shade, never entered. PRGO, never entered at all. Start off with a red shade, went higher, the shade disappeared, but either way, there's no trade here at all since there's no shade. Over here, there's no shade, no trade. Here you had a shade, but did not break the low of that TNT bar. No trade. Here, there's no trade here. Target did not break the low, so there's no trade here. Over here, never broke the low, so there's no trade there. No trade here. 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 A lot of opportunities we walked away from because there's no high probability scenario at all. The shade represents momentum. There's no trigger at all. No trade here. 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 Here's a trade here. Had a green shade. The entry is right there. It entered right there. There was your stop. It end positive for the week. So this is one profitable trade here that we have. No shade, no trade. This one had a shade. Did not trigger below there. That's the spread right there. Did not really trigger the below the low. This one had no shade, no trade. No shade, no trade. No shade, no trade. No shade, no shade. This one here gapped down, so definitely no trade there. No trade. Here's a trade here. Green shade developed here. You entered here. This is profitable, so this is the one another profitable trade. No shade, no trade. And no shade, no trade. So out of this whole entire list, there was only two opportunities that existed. Both of them entered, and we were profitable in both trades. Remember, the goal is not to have many trades at all. The goal is to find quality trades, and that's what the TNT is. We illustrate week by week exactly what the results of the TNT is when you have a shade. There's other little strategies out there like counter trend and everything. There's even no shade strategies out there, but this is the highest probability one, and that's why we're showing that to you. Okay, so if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to email us at info@eiicapital.com. Here is our What's Up channel here, where we post the various different TNT trades, so you can see them throughout the week here. So you can go there. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Also, please like and share this video so it goes out to many other people and they can see the power of the TNT. Thank you.